Welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to zip and unzip a file in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop select the folder that you would like to zip. Here I have a folder on my desktop. Now to zip this file, go to that file and right click on that file. A dialog box will pop up with bunch of menus. From there, click on Compress to Zip File. It will take some time to compress. It is compressed. You can simply rename that file. To unzip that file again, go to your zip file and again right click over there, and from this dialog box, click on Extract All. Here you have to enter the destination where you would like to extract the file, and then click on extract. And once it is done, you will have an unzipped file on your desktop. As you can see, I have this unzipped file. So that's how you can simply zip and unzip file on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.